Hey children, now today our topic is lifespan of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar on 2nd of October 1869. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Putli Bai. Look at the house of Mahatma Gandhi. This is the birthplace of Gandhiji where he was born on 2nd of October 1869. In May 1883, he was married to Kasturba when he was 13 years old. In 1887, Gandhiji enrolled at Samardas College, Bhavnagar, but left after one term. He was engaged to go to London for further studies. After completing his studies, Gandhiji returned to India to start a law practice, but he was very shy to speak, attempts to fail to be a lawyer. Then he travels to South Africa. Here he was shocked by the racial discrimination he finds there when he learns he is not allowed to travel in the first class section of the train. This is the main turning point for Mahatma Gandhiji. Gandhiji stayed in South Africa at least for 20 years. Gandhi learns about a bill that would deny Indians the right to vote. In 1906, Gandhi asked the Indian community of South Africa to refuse to comply with the Transvaal Asiatic Registration Act when the Transvaal government announces it. In 1908, Gandhiji is arrested for the first time. When he is arrested, he reads Civil Disobedience by Henry David and even more committed to peaceful resistance. Now it's time for 1913, when Rabindranath Tagore, one of the great Indian poets, refers to Gandhiji for the first time as Mahatma, which means the great soul. In 1915, Gandhiji returns from South Africa and first ashram in India was established was Sabarmati Ashram, which is famous for farming, animal husbandry, cow breeding and other related constructive activities. Look at the picture. This picture is of the Sabarmati Ashram. In 1920, the non-corporation movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 5th September 1920 by the Indian National Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. On January 26, Gandhiji publishes the Declaration of Independence of India. Look at the picture. Gandhiji leads the Salt March in India in March 1930. Their protests break out all across India and 60,000 are arrested, including Gandhiji. Look at the picture of Dandi March. The Salt March is also known as Dandi March. In 1942, at the All India Congress Committee session in Bombay, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi launched the Quit India movement. Now it's time for 1946 and 47. In October 1946, Gandhi started his peace mission starting with Calcutta and from November onwards by walking on foot from village to village. Look at the picture. This picture is of the village Nokhali district of East Bengal. Now the last 30th January 1948 when Gandhiji was assassinated. He was approached by Nathuram Vinayak Godse, a Hindu nationalist. Gandhiji blesses him and the man then shoots and kills him for being too sympathetic to the Muslims. This is all the lifespan of Mahatma Gandhiji. Kiddos, I will be back. Thank you.